Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to register for the TOEFL IBT. First, visit the official ETS website and create a new account. This is your gateway to managing your test. Next, you will select your desired test date and a convenient test center. Make sure to pick a date that gives you enough time to prepare. Finally, fill out the registration form with all your personal details, ensuring everything is correct. It is crucial that the name on your identification exactly matches the name on your registration. Any discrepancy could prevent you from taking the test. You will then proceed to pay the test fee, which generally ranges from $200 to $250, depending on your region. Use a valid credit card or other accepted payment method. Before clicking Submit, carefully review all your entered information one last time to avoid any errors. After successfully registering, you will receive a confirmation email containing all your test details, including the date, time, and location. Keep this email safe. ETS also provides various free and paid study materials on their website to help you prepare. Utilize these resources to familiarize yourself with the test format. Dedicate time to practice all 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing, to build your confidence. On test day, plan to arrive at the test center at least 30 minutes before your scheduled time. This allows for check-in procedures without rushing. Remember to bring your valid identification, which must match your registration, and your printed registration ticket. Leave all unauthorized items at home. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other deals in the description below. Good luck with your TOEFL IBT.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.